Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a bun, a very quick bun for maybe like work or any occasion. So first of all, I'm going to use this Eco Styler. This is how it looks like. I'm also going to use this comb for direction here. So and also a brush, you may need a brush. Okay, let's get into the video, and I'm just going to part it here very quickly. Let me see. But anyway, so I'm going to part it like this into half. So I've already moisturized it. I've used my leave-in conditioner. I've also used a bit of water. Yeah, and I also use this. Let me see. Okay, this is my leave-in conditioner, but I think I need just a bit. I'm just going to put in a bit more, especially for the ends. Yeah. Just moisturizing it in sections. So and I'm also going to use this Anjeki grapeseed and avocado oil. Okay, so now let me just move this aside. What you're going to do, you're going to take any rubber band that you have. This is the one that I have. I'm going to use the Eco Styler. And then I'm also going to apply it on this side. to apply a bit at the back. Okay, so then you pull it gently. You don't do it harshly because you will lose your hair. It will break, and then you pull it gently like that. Okay. I'm going to use the rubber band to tie it down. So what I love to do, what I normally do, I just put it into a bun like this. Yeah, this is how it looks like, tied down into a bun, and after tying it up with the rubber band like this, you just put it over your own bun like that. And then from there, excuse me. Once I'm done, I'm just going to wrap this. Let me see. I'm going to wrap this around this bun that I have, my natural bun from my hair. So I'm going to wrap it like this, and then I just So I'm just going to pin it down with a bobby pin here. It's just for security, but it should be okay as it is. So I think this shows shading the look, but yeah, I'm just going to clean up my edges a bit. This is what I normally do. And then onto this other side, I'm
also going to do the same thing.
Okay guys, this is the final look, as you can see. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Okay, if you like this video, please give it thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Bye.